Well, hello guys. We're going to play America's fastest growing quiz sensation, What's in that 1940s? Glovebox. So as you may or may not know, the 48 Chevy's going home soon. I've been checking all the fluids, make sure it's just ready for a guy when it does. Notice the glove box latch was just a little bit sticky, so I opened it up and was hosing it down with lubricant, and the insides of it looked kind of interesting. So I'm going to bring you along and we're going to see what's in this thing. Now, clipped to the sun visor, I found registration cards and little clip-on shades. I should actually see if those work on my glasses. Oh yeah, we found registration cards. This car was last tagged in '89, and these are from that time, and I was kind of surprised they're still from the original owner, the man's father who owns it now. Did I say that right? So apparently it was never actually registered for road use from the current owner. I didn't know that. So it's been in the same family its whole life. The current owner was given the use of it for high school in the 60s. And so we're just going to see. This glove box, I imagine, contains mostly things. It could be from the 40s to the 80s, but I would imagine, well, we'll just see. So right off the bat, we got some sweet more clip-on shades there with a nice hairnet tangled in it. So that's neato. We got a clear view ice scraper. That thing's still cherry. 48 owner's manual. Original. In excellent condition. Very cool. Ah, there's the original mirror. He's got an accessory or an aftermarket hot rod mirror over there. August 8, 1976, 12 gallons. I hope fuel. What kind of notebook we got here? Trees, Letchworth State Park, New York, Ed Cooper, The Quest Foundation from Friends of the Earth. Sure. Duck walls, 39 cents. Rock on. Well, we got a map here, but they didn't get it folded quite right. Of the United States. Oh yeah, there we go. Phillips 66, Oklahoma. Do we have a date on this thing? Not finding an obvious date. There's a copyright, but I don't see a date on it. I'm sure it's here somewhere. Looks like we got another one. Oh man, they took quite a trip. This one's Texas. They are fans of Phillips 66 too. I don't know if he's counting off mileage here. Cool, cool. Good housekeeping in your car. You can often find all this information in the shop manual. Just, going through there and what fluids were spilled on your upholstery. It tells you what to do there. We got a guilty little kid with candy Candy stains and other candy-containing chocolate can be removed by rubbing with a wet cloth with very hot water. If not, then completely remove, sponging the stain after drying with a cloth wet with carbon tetrachloride will usually remove it. And probably burn a hole right through the bottom of the car. Yes, ice cream, ink, iron rust, lipstick. Why are you getting lipstick on your upholstery, people? Here. Liquor and wine? Yeah. Okay. This is 1948. We should not be having these discussions. Tire and battery guarantee from Bartlesville, Oklahoma. It is sealed and... oh no, maybe it's not. It's got the guy's name on it. I want to see what year it's from. If I can get this open without ripping it. '69. $327.69. A little later than I thought it'd be. We got a serious stash of bobby pins in here. Free government booklet for high school dropouts. Special offer inside. Free diploma booklet, how to finish high school at home. Use coupon inside. Close cover before striking. The Wayne School of Chicago, Illinois. Huh. Free high school booklet. Well, none of them were heavy smokers. Every match is still in there. And we got a rubber Chevy knob. What's that from? It's not from the starter button. It's got a Chevy logo in the center. I don't recognize that for what that would be off of. Doesn't mean it's off of here, but... yeah, we got clips, and we got springs, and we got wing nuts, and little handle caps there. We got screws for license plates, fuses. Let me see if I can bring some of this awesome bobby pinnage to life here. We got needles too, needles galore. Okay, we're gonna play bobby pin roundup here, and needle roundup, I guess. Got all these bobby pins. I'm gonna have to reset. That's pretty much it, other than a couple candy wrappers. More needles. I'm gonna vacuum this out and that'll be it. Alrighty, we're getting all the papers back in there. How do you live with a hairnet? I mean, honestly. Okay. Get our shades, his and her shades back in there. Got all the hardware, bobby pins and regular pins, our book of matches, our push button, and better have an ice scraper. Oh, and I'm also going to throw in the 47 nickel I found in the seat when I took it apart. Hey, sorry I didn't try on the hairnet, but what can I say? I just got my perm. I can't be doing that. Well, guys, I know that was a silly little video, perhaps, but, you know, I thought it'd be kind of fun. Normally, when we work on these old cars that have been sitting around for years and years, either we have no glove box at all, or Speedy Gonzalez has installed wall-to-wall carpeting, if you know what I mean. So, there you go. That's all I had for you. Thanks for playing along. God bless you guys. See you on the next one.